Some paths are made to connect places. Ours was made to connect people. To nature, to progress, and to each other.
Our mission is simple: to make sure every corner of the Hauslands Clarkway feels like home, protected, secure, and at peace.
When we designed the Hauslands Clarkway, our vision was clear. We wanted to create a community that beautifully balances nature and modern living.
Our inspiration came from nature and calm simplicity of everyday living. We wanted the homes to feel like a peaceful retreat, warm, welcoming, and timeless. The design uses neutral palettes to give homeowners freedom to personalize their space.
These thoughtfully designed spaces support development by providing multisensorial experiences, nurturing their creativity, social connection, and emotional well-being.
At the Hauslands Clarkway, we created a world where fur babies can be part of every walk, play, and pause.
Health and wellness will be the heart of life in the Hauslands Clarkway. As coach, I've seen how regular movement transforms lives, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally.
Eating wisely means more than just choosing healthy food. It's about knowing where your food comes from and how it nourishes both body and community. It is important to start growing food close to us so we can have access to fresh and clean food.
Greenery, such as trees, plants, parks, and gardens, plays a significant role in promoting a healthier lifestyle for residents in both physical and mental ways.
The community is designed with spaces like the courtyard, a central gathering place that blends elegance and function. So whether it's an intimate family milestone or a lively neighborhood event, there's actually a space here where memories can truly shine.
That's how we keep the Hauslands Clarkway feeling like a community that you can call home.